तो अपन ने पहले नॉर्दर्न रिवर्स तो पढ़ लिया था, अब नेक्स्ट पढ़ने वाले हैं दैट वाज पेनिनसुलर रिवर। पेनिनसुलर रिवर्स में मेजर रिवर्स है नर्मदा, दैट वाज हियर, तापी, दैट वाज हियर, गोदावरी, दैट वाज हियर, Krishna, that was here, and Kaveri, that was here, and Mahanandi. These are the major rivers that are flow in the peninsular plateau, और इनकी ट्रिब्यूटरीज ओरिजिन है विद्या अब नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है दैट वाज डैम्स लेक्स एंड वाटरफॉल्स। डैम्स वाटरफॉल्स लेक्स भी पढ़े हैं। देखो, हाइड्रो इलेक्ट्रिक पावर प्रोजेक्ट, मल्टी पर्पस प्रोजेक्ट, पर्पस फ्लड कंट्रोल, हाइड्रोजन जनरेशन और इरिगेशन और टूरिज्म। Negative drawback displays large number of tribal and peasants. Creative environment problem like biodiversity loss. Potential energy is the energy that is stored in an object is an object due to its positive relative to some zero position. Kinetic energy to form of energy that show an object or a particle has by reasoning of its motion. Mentioned as Temple of Modern India by Jawaharlal Nehru। देखो, जैसे ये वाटर है, ये डैम, टरबाइन्स लगे होते हैं, काइनेटिक एनर्जी, उससे अपन इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बना लेते हैं। इम्पोर्टेंट मेजर डैम्स, दामोदर वैली प्रोजेक्ट, इंडिया फर्स्ट रिवर वैली प्रोजेक्ट 1948 में। इट इज बेस्ड ऑन तिनसिन रिवर ऑफ यूएसए। देयर आर 8 डैम्स built on दामोदर एंड its tributaries, मैथोन, तिलियान, पंचीत और कोणार्क। These are the four amongst the 8. Another type of dam, earthen dam, Bhakra Nangal, constructed during the first 5-year plan, built on Satluj River, consists of two dams, Bhakra Himachal Pradesh, Gobind Sagar Lake for Bhakra Nangal Dam, and Nangal पंजाब में हाईएस्ट ग्रेविटी डैम नांगला डैम हाईएस्ट ग्रेविटी डैम है। BS फोर्स ऑन इट्स ओवन, लार्जेस्ट डैम ऑफ इंडिया इन टर्म ऑफ एरिया। Hirakud Dam in Odisha, Sambalpur district, built on Mahanadi River, longest dam of the world, India, 4.8 kilometer या 25.8 kilometer. तिहारी डैम उत्तराखंड में है, built on Bhagirathi River, highest dam on India, 261 kilometer. Farka Dam in West Bengal, built on Ganga River. This dam was built to provide water to the Hooghly River. सुंदरलाल बान भाऊ गन्ना, चिपका मूवमेंट अगेंस्ट डिफोरेस्टेशन, एंटी ट्री मूवमेंट। स्टेट वाइज जम्मू कश्मीर में देख लेते हैं। दौलसित हाइड्रो इलेक्ट्रिक पावर प्रोजेक्ट, बारीगाम हाइड्रो इलेक्ट्रिक पावर, ऑल ऑन चिनाब रिवर। साला हाइड्रो इलेक्ट्रिक पावर, highest river bridge, Chenab River Bridge is constructed on the Chenab River Sala Hydroelectric Power Project. Highest railway bridge, Chenab River Bridge. Height 359 मीटर, हाइट है 1178 फीट पे। कृष्णा रेगंगतुबुल उरी, ऑल ऑन झीलम रिवर, हिमाचल प्रदेश। पोंग डैम महाराणा प्रताप सागर, बियास रिवर। चमेरा धाम रवि रिवर, नतपंग जाखिर सतलुज। बेरू सुली डैम चंबल डिस्ट्रिक्ट, रवि बस्सी डैम रवि रिवर पे। उत्तर प्रदेश में देख लेते हैं। मटालाल डैम, लक्ष्मीबाई डैम बेतवा रिवर पे। लार्जेस्ट आर्टिफिशियल लेक ऑफ इंडिया दैट वाज गोविंद वल्लभ भाई पटेल सागर रिजर्वोयर। रिहांद डैम रिवर रिहांद पे ही है, बिल्ड ऑन रिहांद रिवर ट्रिब्यूटरी ऑफ सोन। उत्तर प्रदेश की बात दैट। अब चलते हैं गुजरात। उकाई डैम तापी रिवर पे। करकपुर डैम तापी रिवर पे। सरदार सरोवर डैम नर्मदा रिवर पे। कंडमन डैम माही रिवर पे। पंजाब में देखते हैं तिहाई डैम ऑल्सो ने रंजीत सागर डैम। शाहपुरा कंडी डैम, हरिका डैम ऑन सतलुज एंड ब्यास को इंडिरा गांधी डेवलप्ड ऑन दिस रावी रिवर पे तीनों। मध्य प्रदेश तवा डैम तवाई रिवर ट्रिब्यूटरी ऑफ नर्मदा। बाण सागर डैम सोन रिवर। ओमकारेश्वर डैम नर्मदा रिवर। इंदिरा सागर डैम नर्मदा रिवर। गांधी सागर डैम चंबल रिवर। राजस्थान माही बजाज सागर डैम माही रिवर। बिशुलपुर डैम बनास रिवर। राणा प्रताप सागर डैम इन चंबल इन राउतबाड़ा। जवाहर सागर डैम ऑन Chambal River. Maharashtra state with maximum number of large dams in the country. Jakhwai Dam, Govind River, Dom Dam, Krishna, Koyan Dam, Lagi Dam, Maharashtra, Koya River, Isapur Dam, Penganga, Ujjain Dam, Krishna River, Jharkhand, Panchite Dam, Damodar River, Methone plus Dayan, Bakra, Konark Dam, Konar, Chhattisgarh, Indravati Dam, Godavari River, Hasodev Dam, Hasodev River, largest tributary of Mahanadi, Karnataka, Jog, Mahatma Gandhi Dam, Saravati River, Lingamaki Dam, Saravati River, Srishamduram Dam, Kaveri, Almaty Dam, Krishna River, Kisan कृष्णा राजा सागर डैम कावेरी। केरला में देख लें पेरियार मुल्लीपुरिया लुधिया डैम पेरियार लाइफ लाइन ऑफ केरला। तेलंगाना देख लेते हैं पंचपड़ा पंचपात श्री सागर कल्लेश्वर लिफ्ट इरिगेशन गोदावरी रिवर से। निजाम सागर डैम मजीरा रिवर पे। नागार्जुन सागर डैम कृष्णा रिवर। तमिलनाडु देख लेते हैं पयक्कार डैम पयक्कुर रिवर। मिट्टू डैम कावेरी रिवर पे। आंध्र प्रदेश में देखते हैं श्रीरासीलम डैम नागर अर्जुन सागर डैम कृष्णा रिवर पे। सोमेश्वर पनेरू या पनेर डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स पे। टाइप्स ऑफ वाटरफॉल देख ले। कॉन्ट्रैक्ट वाटर a large powerful waterfall that occurs when a large amount of force from water fall over a cliff large volume of water. Plunge water a water where a waterfall straight down without touching the cliff face below water velocity high. Cascade a waterfall that consists series of small flare where water flow over the rocks or pulse multi-step. Some more important waterfall of India. Kunikal highest waterfall of India 455 मीटर्स वराही रिवर पे है कर्नाटका में शिमोगा डिस्ट्रिक्ट। जोग ग्रिसोपा महात्मा गांधी सेकेंड हाईएस्ट वाटरफॉल इन इंडिया शरावती रिवर पे है कर्नाटका में है। विशमधरम कावेरी रिवर पे है कर्नाटका। चूलिया चंबल पे है राजस्थान का है। धुंधरा कपलधुरी नर्मदा है मध्य प्रदेश के अंदर। हुंड्रा सुवर्ण रेखा झारखंड के अंदर है। दूध सागर मानदेव गोवा के अंदर है। हाईएस्ट वाटरफॉल इन द वर्ल्ड एंजेला वाटरफॉल इन वेंजुला। सेकंड हाईएस्ट इन द वर्ल्ड नायग्रा फॉल इन यूएसए कनाडा बॉर्डर। नायग्रा फॉल ऑफ इंडिया चित्रकूट वाटरफॉल इन छत्तीसगढ़। सम मोर वाटरफॉल देख लेते हैं। बरी पन्नी वाटरफॉल कुद्र वाटरफॉल ये ओडिशा में है। ये अतरपल्ली वाटरफॉल केरला में है। दुंदम वाटरफॉल ओडिशा कोरबोट में। कोका वाटरफॉल कर्नाटका में। कटपरवा नौकालिका फॉल मेघालय में। मेहबू वाटरफॉल कर्नाटका में। अब देखो लेक्स ऑफ इंडिया स्टेट्स वाइज देख लेते हैं। लद्दाख में पेंगोंग सो लेक तस्कार या तोसमोरी। जम्मू कश्मीर में डल लेक मानसर लेक वोलर लेक। हरियाणा में बदकाल लेक बर्मन लेक। पंजाब में हरिकर और कनिच। राजस्थान में लेक पिकोला अनसागर लेक सांबर लेक। गुजरात में हमीरपुर लेक कंकरी लेक लाल सरोवर लेक। मध्य प्रदेश में भोजट। महाराष्ट्र में सलीम अली खान शिव सागर लेक लोनार लेक। कर्नाटक में अगरा उलसूर कुकारिली होनाना पंपा सरोवर। केरला में अष्टमुडी कयाल कुतान वर्मंद सरस्वत ओटी लेक चिम्बवरम कलवेरी। आंध्र प्रदेश पुलकेर लेक एंड कोलेर लेक। तेलंगाना हुसैन सागर बदरताल लेक। ओडिशा चिल्का लेक। वेस्ट बंगाल रेस्कोल सरोवरी मिल्की लेक। त्रिपुरा में देखते हैं रुद्र सागर अमर सागर दुम्बोरा। मिजोरम में तामदिल। मणिपुर में लोकतक। आसाम में हफलोंग लेक दीपोर बिल चिदुबाई लेक। उत्तराखंड में भीमताल। उत्तर प्रदेश में गोविंद बल्लभ भाई पटेल सागर बेल सागर। सिक्किम में सोंगमो कलेचपारी गुद्रे मगरी। मेघालय में उइमा। बिहार में कनवर। हिमाचल चंद्रताल सुरचाल महाराणा प्रताप सागर और परेश लेक। Largest freshwater lake, Uller Lake, Jammu Kashmir. Largest brackish water lake, Chilka Lake, Odisha. Largest saltwater lake, Sambar Lake, Rajasthan. Longest lake, Vembanad Lake, Kerala. Highest altitude lake, ये है अपने that was चौमुलम लेक, सिक्किम के अंदर। एक बार वापस देखते हैं राजस्थान। पुष्कर लेक इन अजमेर, सांबर लेक हाईएस्ट इनलैंड स्टेट सॉल्ट वाटर लेक, सेलेक्टिव मोर देन चिल्का बट एरिया लेस देन चिल्का, ओडिशा। जम जयसमन देवाह लेक सेकंड हाईएस्ट आर्टिफिशियल लेक इन एशिया, उदयपुर। उत्तर प्रदेश कीतामा लेक, सूरी सरोवर आगरा इन इट्स मैन-मेड कृष रिजर्व एडेड टू रामसर साइट इन ईयर 2000। गोविंद वल्लभ भाई पटेल सागर लार्जेस्ट आर्टिफिशियल लेक ऑफ इंडिया, सोमबाड़ा डिस्ट्रिक्ट। हिमाचल प्रदेश गोविंद सागर लेक, रेणुका लेक। हरियाणा सरजकुंड लेक। जम्मू कश्मीर हुलर लेक, largest freshwater lake in India. It is also reformed as a result of tectonic activity. Ankara Lake, Mansar Lake, Dal Lake, Jewel of Srinagar. Ladakh Pangong Tso Lake in Askaichin border, Lake Sokar, Lake Somari, saltwater lakes. Uttarakhand Dodital Lake, Bhimtal Lake, Roopkund Lake, Nainital Lake, Suryadar Lake, BR Kanwar Tala, Oxbow Lake, Ramsar Side Dodar, Gogi Bai Lake. नलसार लेक, रन ऑफ कच्छ लेक, ताल लेक, रामसर साइट इन 2021. मध्य प्रदेश बोजाटा भोपाल लेक was formerly known as Upper Lake, Asia's largest artificial lake, constructed by Raja Bhoj, Parmar dynasty, most famous and popular ruler who established Bhopal city. Maharashtra Busi Lake, Konark Lake, also called Crater Lake due to the meteors, Budhan districts. Kerala Vembadan Lake, longest lake of India, Pambai river fall on it. Satos Mokot Lake, Astamudai Lake, Tamil Nadu में Pulkit Lake between Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, second largest brackish water lake. Kalvai Lake, Telangana, Sirsa Lake, Nagarjun Sagar Lake, Hussain Sagar Lake connect Hyderabad and Secunderabad. Nizam Sagar Lake, Andhra Pradesh, Pulkit Lake between Andhra and Tamil Nadu, Kollur Lake. Odisha, Asupur Lake, Chilka Lake, largest brackish water lake, fresh plus salt water. First Ramsar site in 1981. Assam, Halfog Long Lake, Chuduwai Lake, Dipor Deep Lake, Brahmapuri या उमाई लेक, शिलोंग, मणिपुर में लोथोक लेक. It is famous for floating over its world only floating lake. Kelbu Lamboda National Park, world's only floating national park. Lakes of India, Africa. Lake Victoria, wet Nile originate from here. It is their countries Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda. Lake Tana Blue Nile originate from here. साउथ अमेरिका की है लेक। देखो एक शायद मैंने इधर सिक्किम की छोड़ दी। तीसालुम लेक, चोलुम लेक, हाईएस्ट लेक इन इंडिया, सोमुंग लेक, चोलू लेक। Lake Tectonic, highest navigable lake in world. Canada has the most natural lakes in the world. Lake Harrier or Ontario. Lake Superior, world largest freshwater. These lakes are known as the greatest lakes and shared by both USA and Canada. Caspian surrounded 5 countries: Russia, Iran, Uzbekistan, Turkmenistan, Kazakhstan. Largest lake of the world, Russia. Lake Baikal, deepest lake of the world. Black Sea border by Ukraine, Russia, Georgia, Turkey, Bulgaria, Romania. और इसी के साथ हमने मेजर इंडिया और वर्ल्ड की लेक्स देख ली है। अब मूव ऑन टू नेक्स्ट टॉपिक्स। अब नेक्स्ट टॉपिक की दैट वाज मानसून। रिटर्निंग मानसून की ये फोटो है, जैसे 15 अक्टूबर, 1 नवंबर, 15 नवंबर और 1 दिसंबर और 15 दिसंबर को अपने इंडिया से चल जाता है। ये 1 अक्टूबर, ये 15 सितंबर को, ये 1 सितंबर को ही चल जाता है यहाँ से। Factors affecting the climate of latitude, altitude, pressure, wind system, relief feature, ocean current, distance from sea, climate. The average width is given area over a long period of time, date time of taken of 30 years. Weather, the term refers of the temperature condition of the atmosphere, including temperature, atmosphere pressure, wind, humidity, precipitation, and cloud cover. Winter season, chilling winds from Arctic Central Asia affects, but they are blocked on at a certain except by the Himalayas. Winter and it known as the uppermost atmosphere circulation blow at the speed of 9 to 13 km of high jet stream at 25 degree north latitude in February. Caspian Sea, Mediterranean Sea. Cyclone disturbance हो जाता है winter help benefit रबी crops with Kobai jet stream in northern plain that carry western cyclone disturbance known as the name of Matawat in Rajasthan. Mewat. Western disturbance are beneficial to heavy crop. Inward of western disturbance through jet stream is marked by increase in prevailing night temperature. In upper troposphere, 9 very high speed of wind. Subtropical jets, ये है polar jets, shift north and south as they flow boundaries of hot and cold air. Subtropical jet, polar jet. In both hemispheres, jet streams blow west with summer season. Also in India Peninsula, India, summer rays over Tibetan plate intense heating create low pressure, relatively high ITCZ now shift in upper regions. Trade winds meets air acid during July 20 से 25. Pre-monsoon shower, norwesterly, Kali Baisakhi, climate in the month of Baisakhi in Western Bengal, Bardori Chera in Assam. Blossom sour seen in Kerala and Karnataka help in growth cultivation of coffee. Mango sour seen in Kerala help in early reaping of mango. Norwesterly blossom sours. Growth of jute and tea. Onset of monsoon is dry from the Arabic word mosim meaning seasonal reserves of India beginning in the Kerala first week of June in the Western Ghats orographical rainfall Western Ghats with from southwest direction that is why it is known as southwest monsoon. Windward side on shore sides ये रेन शेडो जोन है लीवर्ड साइड ऑफशोर साइड्स रेन ब्रिंगिंग सिस्टम देखो विंड मूव पैरेलल टू अरावली हिल्स नोरेलफोन डेजर्ट है यहाँ पर राजस्थान के अरेबियन सी ब्रांच आएगी यहाँ से टकराएगी और इधर जाके बरसात कर देगी इधर से आएगी बे ऑफ बंगाल में मौसम राम में हाई नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न हिल काशी हिल से वहां पर हाईएस्ट रेनफॉल रिकॉर्ड होती है मौसम राम या चेरापूंजी फिर ये इधर जाएगी इधर ईस्टर्न पार्ट्स पे रेन कर देगी Bay of Bengal branch Arabian Sea branch of the southwest monsoon meet at Punjab Creek is sudden decrease in rainfall after the onset of monsoon. Written also known as northeast monsoon at coast rainfall over Coromandel coast Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. In northern India clear sky October heat oppressive heat है cyclone disturbance हो जाता है यहाँ की वजह warm system warm polar jet stream high pressure cool wet polar jet stream dry ये अल नीनो का इफेक्ट है ये अल नीनो नीहा और अल नीनो नॉर्थ ईस्ट वीकनेस देन वाटर करंट वार्म इधर हो जाता है वेट एंड कोल्ड लो प्रेशर इधर की तरफ हाई बन जाएगा स्मॉल गर्ल चाइल्ड की स्मॉल बॉय above average sea temperature east central equatorial warm phase of INSCO cycle trade wind weaken allowing warm water to spread eastward seen every 3 7 years leads to warmer global temperature. In chaos dot on Asia, Australia, and USA, El Nino has a strong impact during winter. Fishing industry would not flourish. Fishing industry with flourish, it case internal increase in Australia and floods are during South America. ये भी 2 से 7 years में दिखता है lead to color global temperature trade wind strength pushing warm water is worldwide below average sea surface temperature east central equatorial cold phase on INSCO cycle variation in temperature rainfall total range of temperature daily range of temperature annual range of temperature annual range of rainfall more in the interior of the continent and less in the coastal areas देखो एक्सट्रीमिटीज ऑफ क्लाइमेट देख लेते हैं कानपुर the far we go from ocean into the continent, the more in the extremity in the climate due to continental effect. Mumbai extremity of climate not seen here. Coastal city do not experience extreme cold due to modern influence of season and month. Worst grimmest versus are the Himansishri. चित्र विशाख ज्येष्ठा श्रवण भद्रपाद अश्विन कार्तिकेय मगरशिरी पौष माघ भगवान मार्च अप्रैल मई जून जुलाई अगस्त सितंबर अक्टूबर नवंबर दिसंबर जनवरी फरवरी। ओपन क्लाइमेट क्लासिफिक वेदर स्टॉर्म Extreme climate long-term, roughly 30-year data is taken. Koppens in 18 empirical climate classification use capital and small letter climate group represent with different code on the basis of precipitation A, B, C, D, E, high major climate group. Tropical, dry, warm, cold, forest, polar tribe, average temperature from almost in month of July, the average temperature of coldest month in 3 degrees Celsius or below. The average temperature of the coldest month is mid-latitude climate is higher than 3 degrees. Potential evaporations exceeds precipitation. Average of the coldest month is 18 degrees Celsius or higher. देखो cold polar tundra type of climate due to the extreme conditions. ये बी एस और बी एस डब्ल्यू इधर हो गया, के किधर गया, ए डब्ल्यू इधर हो गया, ये बी एस डब्ल्यू यहाँ, ए डब्ल्यू इधर, ए एस डब्ल्यू यहाँ, और डी आई कोल्ड स्नो फॉर विंटर ड्राई समर ड्राई मानसून फुल बेरिस ट्रॉपिक मानसून विंटर ड्राई। और इसी के साथ ये टॉपिक भी अपना होता है खत्म। अब मूव ऑन टू नेक्स्ट टॉपिक दैट वाज फॉरेस्ट एंड ग्रासलैंड्स। देखो फॉरेस्ट पिक्चर्स अच्छी मिली नहीं है, इससे ऐसे ही काम चला लो। Evergreen forest. They are the layered forest due to different stratus present in this forest. Stratus is the evergreen forest. Top vertical trees, middle vertical shrubs होते हैं, bottom herbs and bushes होते हैं. They appear green all year because the tree in the forest does not shed their leaves at the same time. They are seen in place of high temperature above 22 degrees Celsius, high rainfall 200 centimeters. In India, seen in western side of Western Ghats, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, northeastern Tamil Nadu posts heavily rainfall in this area. Highest biodiversity in seen here. Vegetation in ebony, epiphytes, mahogany, root, rubber and chinoca. Deciduous forest, foothills of Himalayas बोलते हैं. They are spread over a region receiving rainfall between 200 centimeter to 70 centimeter. These are most widespread forests of India called monsoon forest. Divide most deciduous, more dry deciduous. On the basis of availability of water, tender leaves are used to make bidi, tindu, butagans, butagan, hydrodots. Most deciduous, dry deciduous देख लेते हैं एक बार. Found in area receiving rainfall 200 से 10 centimeter, mostly in eastern part, northeastern states, fountain of Himalaya, Jharkhand, West Odisha, Chhattisgarh, and on the eastern slope of Western Ghats. Mostly in rainier part of peninsula and plain of Bihar, Uttar Pradesh. Teak most dominate bamboo, sal, sisam, sandalwood, kheri, kusum, arjun, and mulberry. Teak, sal, pipal, neem, tendu, pals, amart, beel, khari, axle. On the western margin, it has transition to the most deciduous, while on the dry margin to the thorn forest. Found in region with 70 centimeter, thorn are modified form of blade to avoid water loss. Vegetation in northern part of the country, semi-arid region of Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana. Main plant species orchids, palm, and Apervis cactus. Specific type of grass senior Tucus grass height up to 2. Trees are carried with long roots penetrating deep inside the coniferous forest. Shape cone seen area of high rainfall in India, same in upper Himalaya. Trees sandalwood such as cheer, pin, chindar, and deodar serve gymnosperm. Mountain areas decrease in temperature with increased altitude, corresponding change in natural vegetation. There is a section natural belt in same area as we see from tropical to tundra region. Succession with changing altitude. Foothills of Himalaya deciduous, 1000 to the wet tropical for evergreen broadleaf trees, oaks and chestnuts. Temperate forest containing cauliflower, tree, penny, dinner, silverfire, surface, and the above things Pillion with silver fire, juniper pine, rhododendron branches, shrubs and shrubs, alpine grassland, biped. At high altitudes, mosses, lichens और टुंड्रा vegetation में पाया जाता है. Mountain forests are extremely used by grazing by nomadic tribes, guzars and makwas. Snow, alpine zone, subalpine zone, temperate zone, subtropical zone और tropical zone. Southern mountain four found in three districts of areas of Peninsula Western Ghat, Vidyahari and Nilgiri closer to tropical, only 1500 meters above the sea level. Vegetation temperature in higher region, on lower region of Western Ghat, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka. Temperature grassland forests are sloped Western Ghat, Annamalai and Panali Hills. Mangrove forests they are known as littoral swamp seen in the coastal area that are highly influenced by tide. The deltas of Ganga, the Mahanandi, the Krishna, the Godavari, the Kaveri, they are covered by such vegetation. Moreover, in Sundar Delta, Sundari trees are found where here, region West Bengal. These trees are viparous, they are called living roots. Penomatoporeus, scientific name है उनका. Biomass forest across the world, temperature evergreen found in mid-latitude coastal areas, Canada, Europe, Asia. Temperature है deciduous forest, eastern margin of mid-latitude area. Pheasant and monals are found here. 35 डिग्री से 50. टिंगा बोरेल भूमि अनटच्ड है. 50 डिग्री से 70 डिग्री नॉर्थ. टुंड्रा बियॉन्ड 70 डिग्री से नॉर्थ डिग्री. इंडियन स्टेट्स ऑफ फॉरेन रिपोर्ट्स देख लेते हैं एक बार. फर्स्ट पब्लिश इन 1980. 18 स्टेट ऑफ फॉरेस्ट रिपोर्ट 2020. इट्स बाइनियल रिपोर्ट. फॉरेस्ट कवर 21.76. रिकवर 3.4%. फॉरेस्ट प्लस टी 25.17%. फॉरेस्ट कवर एरिया वाइज मध्य प्रदेश, अरुणाचल प्रदेश, छत्तीसगढ़. फॉरेस्ट कवर परसेंटेज वाइज लक्षद्वीप, मिजोरम, अंडमान निकोबार. मैक्सिमम इंक्रीज फॉरेस्ट टेम्परेचर छत्तीसगढ़, उत्तर प्रदेश. मैक्सिमम इंक्रीज फॉरेस्ट मिजोरम एंड गुजरात. Largest decrease Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka. And Indian forest policy to state that 30% area should be under forest or tree cover. Largest reviews area in 1980. It's amend the maintenance of environment stable through preservation, restoration, and ecological balance. So, social forestry. Social forestry means the management and protection of forest afforestation on barren land with the purpose of helping in the environment, social and rural development. चिपको मूवमेंट 1973 में लीड बाय सुंदर लाल बहुगाना. फॉरेस्ट डे 21 मार्च को मनाया जाता है. इंडियन फॉरेस्ट रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूशन देहरादून में, उत्तराखंड में. अब ग्रास लैंड देख लेंगे. टाइप्स ऑफ ट्रॉपिकल ग्रास लैंड और टेम्परेट्स. Tall non-nutrition elephant grass sorts and nutrition. Different names. Savanna Africa में known as big name country due to the extreme poaching of animal. Campus grassland Brazil, Laos grassland Venezuela. Different name. Polaris North America known as wheat granaries of the India of the world. Steppes Asia, Europe. Wildis South America. Duans Australia. Pudstas Hungary. Canterbury New Zealand. Pampas Argentina. Alfalfa grass nutrient rich grass in Syria. Shifting cultivation. It is known as slash and burn agriculture, not good for because deforestation soil lose its productivity. Different name across the world: Indonesia, Ladgang, Mexico, Milpan, Sri Lanka, China, Vietnam, Ray, Brazil, Rocco, Venezuela, Konuku. Name across India: Zoom, Northwest, कुमारी वेस्ट गार्डन, पम्मा दबाई ब्रिंग ओडिशा, पेडू या पोडू आंध्र प्रदेश, दीपू छत्तीसगढ़, बास्ता डिस्ट्रिक्ट अंडमान एंड निकोबार, वल्टा राजस्थान, कुरुआ झारखंड, बेवारा दही मध्य प्रदेश. इसी के साथ अपना फॉरेस्ट वाला पार्ट भी कवर होता है. और मूव ऑन टू नेक्स्ट टॉपिक जो होने वाला. अपन जो नेक्स्ट टॉपिक पढ़ने वाले हैं दैट वो सॉइल एंड एग्रीकल्चर. देखो बेसिक पॉइंटर्स देख लेते हैं. स्टडी ऑफ सॉइल पेडोलॉजी बोलते हैं. रिन्यूएबल नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज. इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक ह्यूमस and inorganic material. Important factor responsible for formation of soil: relief, parent rock, bedrock, climate, vegetation, other forms of life and lifetime. Soil can be divided into certain type on the basis of factors responsible for soil formation: color, thickness, texture, age, chemical and physical properties. Soil horizon देख लेते हैं एक बार. Also known as humus, corn not present in Indian soil. Organic layer, humus, topsoil minerals with subsoil deposit minerals with metallic soil. Parent rock, partially weathered rock. Soil texture depend on its factors affecting soil formation. Parent material, it determines the soil's color, texture, chemical properties, minerals contents and permeability. Climate, temperature and rainfall affect the rate of weathering and humus. Time, it determines the thickness of soil. Relief, accumulation of soil. Indian Council of Agriculture Research headquarter New Delhi में this institute has categorized soil into 8 categories: Indian soil, lake, N2, P and humus, organic matter. देखो 8 soils देख लेते हैं: alluvial soil, black soil, red and yellow soil, lateral soil, mountain forest, desert soil, peaty या marshy, saline या alkaline. Alluvial soil 40%, red soil 18%, black soil 15%, laterite soil 4.3%, arid soil, montane soil, marshy peaty soil, saline alkaline soil. अब सबसे पहले देखते हैं एलुवियल सोइल के बारे में. मोस्ट वाइडली स्प्रेडेड कवर 40% एरिया ऑफ इंडिया. मोस्ट फर्टाइल टाइप ऑफ सोइल फाउंड इन नॉर्थर्न प्लेन उत्तर प्रदेश, बिहार, वेस्ट बंगाल, आसाम प्लस डेल्टा ऑफ पेनिनसुलर रिवर्स. Found due to the deposition of three important Himalayan river systems: Indus, Ganga, and Brahmaputra. Found in the eastern coastal plain delta of Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, and Kaveri. Rich in potash and poor in phosphorus. अब इसकी टाइप्स देख लेते हैं. ओल्ड एलुवियल भांगर, Carcarus concentration poor in humus and nitrogen, less fertile. New alluvial khadar, more suitable for agriculture and more fertile. Black soil, also known as Reger, ideal for coulter cultivation, required 210 forest-free days. Frost-free day formed due to the eruption of lava. Found in northwestern part of peninsular plateau, Maharashtra and Gujarat. Kaligi in nature made of extremely fine material. Having self-plugging characteristic, develops scrap when dry and sketchy when moist. They are rich in iron, calcium carbonate, magnesium, potassium, lime, aluminum, poor in humus and nitrogen and phosphorus. Impermeable soil water does not pre-locate easily. Red soil या yellow soil देख लेते हैं. Formed due to the weathering of metamorphic rock. It is red due to the presence of iron oxide. It developed on crystalline igneous rock in area of low rainfall Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, pediment soil of Western Ghats. Turn yellow when hydrated. Leaching important minerals of soil either wash away or they pre-located underground. Lateral soil के बारे में देख लेते हैं. That was derived from Latin word later, which means brick. Result of intense leaching process where the important minerals such as silica wash away with water. Found of release of high temperature and heavy Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh, area of Odisha and Assam. Red lateral soil or found region suitable for cashew, favorable for growing tea and coffee. Karnataka. Arid soil. Range for red soil to brown, general sandy and textile and rate for evaporation is greater than rate of precipitation. Found in part of Rajasthan and Gujarat. The Kankar layer formation in bottom horizontal restrict the infiltration of water. Saline soil terminate gypsum. U.S. taxonomy: Young alluvial, interstitial, interspelled. Recently formed soil that lack well level horizon and are commonly found in unsolidated river and beach sediment of sands. Inward soil, they are clay rich and tend to swell when wet and shrink upon drying. Ellipsoils with aluminium and iron oxyls are heavily weathered and are rich in iron and aluminium. Gallium permanently frozen prim forage joins with permafrost with 2 mm of surface of galenic material. Stolic organic soil. Marshy peaty soil seen in coastal areas has organic matter. Humus seen in region of high altitude and high rainfall. Desert soil seen in extremely low areas 50 cm western Rajasthan and Gujarat. Mountain soil see humus and see micro and macro nitrogen, micromen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium, sulfur. Rest other minerals are macronutrients. Some erosion, soil erosion and conservation. Soil erosion, the denudation of soil cover and subsequently washing down is described as soil erosion. Soil erosion is also possible due to water sheet erosion when tropic soil get washed away due to heavy showers. Gully erosion in Chambal Valley is referred to as Ravina's bedland topography. It is a permanent when surface water runoff cuts deeply into soil, removing along drainage line. Soil conservation method: country buzzing, plugging, land management practice of margining sloping hilly lands where the soil product is very low. It involves placement of lines of stone among the natural lines of wet landscape. The process of covering the topsoil with the plant material such leaves, grass, crop residue, and etc. Retain soil moisture. Shelter belt, planting rows of trees on the side of an area that prevent the winds for eroding the soil. Trenches farming, it is the part of cutting flat area of a hill or mountain in order to grow crop. Mostly practiced in hilly areas such as Himalaya Pradesh, Uttarakhand, and certain northeastern provinces. Strip farming, type of farming that involves dividing fields into long, narrow strips and relating crops in rotation system. Counter bedding, mulching, shelter belts. Terrace farming, strip farming. Agriculture देख लेते हैं types of egg farming. Primitive subsistence farming. It practices on small particle of land with the help of primitive tools, hoe, dhow, digging sticks, and family community. It types of family depend upon monsoon, natural fertility of soil, stability of other environmental conditions. It's slash and burn agriculture. Intense subsistence farming. It is practiced in area high population pressure on land. It is labor intensive use of high dose of biochemical inputs and irrigation to obtain higher production. Through the right of inheritance, division of land among successive generations had rendered landholding uneconomical in size. Commercial farming. In this type of farming, single crop is grown on large area. User of higher dose of modern input, higher yielding variety, seeds, chemical fertilizer, intensity pesticide to obtain high productivity. Plantation is also type of commercial farming. Important crop tea, coffee, rubber, sugarcane, banana. All produce used as a raw material. Mixed and intercropping. Mixed type of farming which involve growing crops and raising of livestock. Agriculture plus life. Intercropping practice growing two or more crops in close proximity to each other on the same piece of land. Similarity between mixed and intercropping, growing two or more crops in same piece of land. Difference देख ले. Mixed cropping or intercropping. Seeds of two different crops are mixed before sowing. Seeds are not mixed and grow into row pattern. Growing two more seed crops in the same field. Intercropping, growing two or more crops in the same field in format. Different cropping patterns, the Kharif sowing July, harvest September, and also known monsoon crop, rice, sugar, jam, tobacco, Mexico, soybean, groundnut. Some major crops. Rabi snow sowing tomorrow, April, wheat, barley, gram, mustard, lignin, pea, upset, winter for full beneficial. Short cropping season, May, June, watermelon, muskin, cucumber for dead crops. Rice, also known as paddy before processing, India is second largest producer after China. Snow in swampy area, methane and gas produced. Require high temperature, 25 degrees Celsius, high rainfall, 10 degrees. In eastern India, West Bengal, season, Austria harvesting, Amman harvesting North December, harvesting Boro, sowing in December. India's most consumed stable crop, rice and wheat. Wheat rain required 570, sugarcane temperature required 21 से 27, 75 से 100. Tea growing acidic require well dry seeds in hummus, organic and require shadow. Topmost producer China, India, Kenya, India topmost producer Assam. Leguminous crop, India is the largest consumer producer. Nitrogen fixes bacteria, rhizome design the roots of these plants. Pulses, ragma, soybean, top of Madhya Pradesh. No ribosome bacteria inside their roots. Millet also known as superfruit, Siri Anna, Bajra, Ragi, finger millet, Jawar, sorghum, topmost producer Rajasthan. Oh, India is the second largest producer after China. Groundnuts, coconut, mustard, sesame, coconut seed, almond, topmost producer Gujarat. Horticulture, fruits and vegetables. India produces 13% of world's vegetations. Coffee bowl of the world. Brazil topmost producer. India topmost producer. Karnataka, Arabic, Lurican, option 3 various forms. Soil recurrent laterite, boson soil help in growth of coffee. According to India produces 3.2% of the world. Fiber crops, cotton, it's required black soil fiber and also known as silver fiber required 210 forest free days require 6 to 8 months to the nature. Golden fiber topmost producer India, West Bengal topmost exporter Bangladesh, nor'wester good for growth of jute. Rearing of silk is called sericulture. डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ रेवोल्यूशंस देख लेते हैं इनसे काफी सारे क्वेश्चन. फर्स्ट इन मेक्सिको प्लस लैटिन अमेरिका 1940 60s में टर्न बाय विलियम गॉड फादर वर्ल्ड नॉर्मन बोरगेल यूएसए 1917 नोबल पीस प्राइज जीता फादर. इंडिया में एम एस स्वामीनाथ पीएल 480 हाई यील्डिंग वेराइटी बनाई थी. व्हीट वाज इंपोर्टेड फ्रॉम मेक्सिको यूएसए. राइस वन मेरिकल फ्रॉम It was introduced two phases. First phase 1916, affluent state of Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, wheat and rices. July specially stamps by Indira Gandhi. Third financial year established FCI, KFC to announce MSPs. 1965 production kills 74 ton, 78 productions, 131 million. Second phase 1978 is sustainable farming, headquarter of Second Green Revolution, SERVC as Patna. Black Revolution, Blue Revolution, Petroleum, Fish, Brown Revolution, Leather, Golden Revolution, Fruit and Honey, Green Revolution, Food Grain, Fertilizer, Pink Revolution, Onion, Red Revolution, Meat and Tomato, Silver Onion, Egg, Poultry, Wheat Revolution, Milk and Dairy, Yellow Revolution, Oil Seed, Amber Green Revolution, Overall Development, Blue Revolution, Father Harilal Chaudhary and Arun Krishna White Revolution, also an Operation Flood launch in 1997, Father Verga Sikorina, reduced security of milk production. Father Sam Pantida at Dwarwick's Green found the groundwater leach, low soil engineering, distributed farm and kids, commercial farm revenue for more. जी हाँ, genetic modify. There are crops planted that have their DNA modified using genetic engineering technique. Example, Brazil and British Connacht. इसी के साथ अपना ये टॉपिक भी खत्म होता है एग्रीकल्चर वाला, सॉइल एंड एग्रीकल्चर। मूव ऑन टू नेक्स्ट टॉपिक देखते हैं। अब नेक्स्ट टॉपिक की तरफ चलते हैं, दैट वाज मिनरल्स। अब मिनरल्स देख लेते हैं इंडिया के। Mineral is a natural substance, organic or inorganic origins with definite chemical and physical homogeneous natural occurring substance with a definite internal structure. Metallic minerals, non-metallic energy, coal, petroleum, natural gas. Mica, salt, sulfur, granite, limestone, marble, sandstone. Ferrous containing iron or magnesium, nickel, cobalt, etc. Non-ferrous, cobalt, lead, tin, bauxite. Precious gold, silver, platinum, etc. Distribution of minerals. Most of the metallic minerals in India occur in peninsular plateau, Roora, Choटा Nagpur plateau. Over 97% of coal reserves occur in the valley of Damodar, Son, Mahanadi, and Godavari. Petroleum reservoirs are located in sedimentary basin of Assam, Gujarat, Mumbai, high offshore regions in the Arabian Sea. Most of the major mineral resources occur to the east of flanking Mangalore and Kanpur. Minerals are generally concentrated in their borders belt in India. Gondwana gold, Dharwad gold iron, Vidyan non-metallic minerals. Vidyan, Gondwan, Dharwad and Chudawao. Various metals देखते हैं, iron ore, magnetic, it is the first iron ore with a high content of iron up to 70%. Hermit ore is the most important industrial ore in the term of quantity used, but it has a slightly lower iron content than magnetite, 50-60%. In 2018, almost stand production iron ore 97 acquired from Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Karnataka, and Jharkhand. रिजर्वर टॉपमोस्ट ओडिशा प्रोडक्शन, ओडिशा, छत्तीसगढ़, कर्नाटका। अब ये देखते हैं बलिदालिया, यहाँ पर दालियाराज, मोरमुगा, मंगलुरु, कुद्रेमुख, बाबा उदान हिल्स, ओडिशा, झारखंड बेल्ट, दुर्गावस्त्र, चंद्रपुर बेल्ट, महाराष्ट्र, गोवा प्लेट, बेल्लारी, चित्रकूट, चिमगोर, तुम्हारा बेल्ट, कर्नाटका। विशाखापट्टनम पोर्ट एक्सपोर्टेड नॉर्थ एंड साउथ कोरिया। ओडिशा रीजन सुद्रगार, मायावरम, जागार, मिनी बंदरपुर। According to the Indian Mineral Yearbook 2000, Karnataka alone accounts 72% of magnetic deposit in India. Magnesium is mainly used in the manufacturing of steel and ferro-magnesium alloy. It is also used in manufacturing bleaching powder, in insecticides and paint. Topmost producer Madhya Pradesh. Non-ferrous copper, first metal to be discovered by humans. First Balgad mine in Madhya Pradesh. Khetri mines Junjunu and Alwar region in Rajasthan, in Shikhbhum district of Jharkhand, and are leading producer of copper. Khetri, Dehaj, Balakot, Kerala, Bhubaneswar, Tuticorin. Aluminium के देखते primary or bauxite, it is used in aircraft because it's lightweight. Indian bauxite deposits are mainly found in the Amarkantak Plateau, Maikal Hills, and the Plateau region of Bilaspur, Ketane. Odisha is the largest bauxite producer. Panchtamali deposit in Kotputli district are the most important bauxite deposit in Odisha. Largest producer of bauxite Australia है। ये हिंदुल, रेनकूट, बिक्को कोबरा, निकोलो कॉर्पोरेट हेडक्वार्टर भुवनेश्वर, न्यू दिल्ली हेडक्वार्टर, नेकोस हेडक्वार्टर दिल्ली। पीसीएस मेटल गोल्ड, टॉप मोस्ट वर्ल्ड चाइना, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, टॉप मोस्ट इंडिया, कर्नाटक, कोलार गोल्डफील्ड, हुटी गोल्डफील्ड, रामगिरी। due to excellent dielectrics and lower power loss for insulting power and resistance to have it is used in electronic industry. Mica deposits are found in northern edge of Jharkhand Plateau, Kodam, Gaya, Hyderabad belt of Jharkhand is leading. Produce areas all around Ajmer, Nellore, Meherabad, Andhra Pradesh also an important producer in the Karnal lands. It is sedimentary. It is found in association with rocks composed calcium, or calcium, magnesium. It is basic raw material of central essential for melting iron ore plus. Panna is the only state that produces diamond. Energy resource of conventional and commercial. Goa petroleum, firewood store, direct convenience, bioenergy, solar energy, wind energy, tidal energy, energy from urban waste. पोखरा, सिंगोली, जिहार, रानीगंज, तलचार, ओडिशा, सिंगरनी, Andhra Pradesh, Naveli, Tamil Nadu, or lignite. Coal is also known as buried sunshine, black diamond, black coal. In India, coal is the most abundant available fossil. Indian coal occurs in rock series of the two major Gondwana, little over 2000 in age and terrestrial, which only about 55 million year old. The major resources of Gondwana coal, which are metallurgical coal, are located in Damodar Valley. Jharia, Raniganj, Bokra are the important coal fields. The Godavari, Mahanadi, Son, and Water Valley also contain coal deposits. Terrestrial coal occurs in northeastern state of Meghalaya, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, and Nagaland. Reservoir Odisha, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh. Production Chhattisgarh, Odisha. Types of soil: a good coal has a calorific value, moisture content कम, carbon content ज़्यादा, anthracite 80-90% highest quality hard coal, bitumen 70% heavy in deep and subject to increased temperature. Lignite 50% grade brown color and salt with high moisture. Less than 50% decompliant in surviving produce heat, no carbon, high moisture content and low heating capacity. Commission on 1901st Oil Refinery of India, Digobai Naharkanta. Most of the petroleum occur in India associated with the anti-signal fault drops and the rock formation of the terrestrial air. Petroleum also found fault drops between porous and non-porous rock gas like usually occur above the seal. Mumbai has Gujarat, Assam are major petroleum production areas in India. Field of Gujarat, Assam in the oldest air producing state in India. Digobai and Arikota and Morunja are the important oil fields in the state. Wells, gas, oil, water reservoirs, invisible rocks. Methane (CH4) is the primary container of natural gas. 70 से 90% natural gas found with petroleum deposit is released with crude oil is brought to the surface. It uses fuel in power sector to generate electricity. India's major gas reservoirs are found in the Mumbai High line field along the western coast, which are supplemented by the finds in the Cambay Basin along the eastern coast. New resources reserve of natural has been discovered in the Krishna Godavari Basin. The first 1700 kilometer Hazira-Vijari Junction cross country gas pipeline constructed by the GAIL India link Mumbai High Basin was very fertilizer power industry complex in western northern Gujarat and UP pipeline 1986 electricity. Hydrogen hydroelectricity is the process of generating electricity from kinetic energy of moving or the thermal uses of coal, petroleum, natural gases to generate electricity. Non-conventional source of energy nuclear atomic energy. It is obtained by altering the structure of a nuclear fusion, in which such alteration meta energy released in the form of heat. This is used to generate electricity power. Uranium thorium are available in Jharkhand, Ayurveda range of Rajasthan, Madhya and of Kerala also region thorium. Aksar first natural reactor father of Chihuahua nuclear power plants of India, Tapura, Maharashtra, Kadamkam, Kalpaks, Tamil Nadu, first Breder, Kainga, Karnataka, Narora, Uttar Pradesh, Ramvat, Bata, Rajasthan, कापरा गुजरात सोलर ये भी देख लेते हैं राजस्थान एटॉमिक पावर लिमिटेड RSP1 RSP2 RSP3 RSP कोटा राजस्थान RSP1 RSP2 कोटा RSP4 तक जा रहा है कर्नाटका KSP5 तक ये MPS2 तक कुद्रेमुख KSP2 ये KSP2 तक It's renewable source of energy, radiant heat and light from the sun that can be used to generate electric heat and other form of energy. Photovoltaic technology converts sunlight directly in electric. International Alliance headquarters Gurgaon. Wind energy. It is renewable source of energy. India is the greatest potential of wind power. The largest wind farm cluster is located in Tamil Nadu from Nagarchol to Madurai. Ocean tides can be used to generate electricity in India. Gulf of Kammat, Gulf of Kutch in Gujarat, on the western coast of Ganges Delta and Sundarban regions of western provide tidal conditions for utilizing tidal energy. Tidal energy, ocean, high tides, high voltage, swell turbine, marine low tides. Geothermal energy. Geothermal energy refer to the heat and electricity produced by using the heat and from the interior of the earth. Two experimental has been set up in India to harness geothermal. One is located in the Parvati Valley near Makarana in Himachal Pradesh. The other is located in Puga Valley at Ladakh. Subra from waste animal and human waste are used to produce biogas CO2 for 30-45 CH for domestic consumption in rural areas, general through anaerobic digestion. Decomposition of organic material gas which are high thermal efficiency. Dunga King, the plant using kettle dung are non-golden based plant is called rural India. Microorganisms break down biodegradable material in the absence of oxygen. This was the last thing that I want to tell in this topic. And here the minerals topic also is finished now. You have to revise again and again just like me. And you can also revise with me with the rapid revision series. अपन जो अब नेक्स्ट टॉपिक पढ़ने वाले हैं दैट वाज वर्ल्ड मैप. वर्ल्ड ज्योग्राफी भी देख लेते हैं. कॉन्टिनेंट एशिया, अफ्रीका, नॉर्थ अमेरिका, साउथ अमेरिका, अंटार्कटिका, यूरोप एंड ऑस्ट्रेलिया, ओशिनिया. एशिया, अफ्रीका, यूरोप नोन एज कॉन्टिनेंट ऑफ कॉन्टिनेंट. So Australia, Oceania known as white continent. Antarctica top area wise Asia, second area populous for Africa. Asia में state and narrow water body. There is several landmass joined to water bodies. State of Malacca separate Malaysia, Indonesia from Java and Indonesia. Sumatra state separate Sumatra and Java and join Java Sea and the Indian Ocean. देखो ये बर्मा, ये म्यांमार, थाईलैंड, लाओस, कंबोडिया, वियतनाम, ये मलेशिया, ये इंडोनेशिया, ये वेस्टर्न मलेशिया है. ये सब इंडोनेशिया का पास्ट है. वेस्ट तिमोर, ये फिलीपींस आ गया अपना, और इधर ये चाइना आ गया. कंबोडिया कैपिटल पाउमिन, वियतनाम की हाइनियो, लाओस कैपिटल वियतनाम, लैंडलॉक कंट्री है. इंडोनेशिया कंट्री विद द मोस्ट नंबर ऑफ मुस्लिम पॉपुलेशन. सुमात्रा लैंड आइलैंड सुमात्रा मुस्लिम. Java 5 main island capital Jakarta at present will change to Northern due to global warming. Most of the island in Indonesia are volcanic island. Malaysia capital Kuala Lumpur. Eastern Timor capital Delhi. Thailand capital Bangkok. Myanmar early known as Burma capital Nai Pinto. Philippines capital Manila. Gobi Desert cold desert है. Current that is all surrounded by land. Nomas coastline. Laos landlocked country है. Laos largest island of Japan. Lonsho located between mainland and China, Korean Peninsula, and is between Japan and Russia. South Korea's capital Seoul. Is bounded with north separated with 38 parallel lake, worldly best lake in Russia. North Korea capital Pyongyang, share boundary with China and Japan, largest island also. Capital Tokyo, early known as Formosa, Taiwan. Capital Tibet, Turkmenistan. Capital Afghanistan, Uzbekistan. Capital Tashkent. Kuril Island is under territorial dispute between Japan and Russia. Kazakhstan capital Astana. Caspian Sea is a lake of landlocked body of Europe and Kazakhstan, Turkmenistan, Kyrgyzstan, Bisky. All landlocked. Liechtenstein and Uzbekistan are the only double landlocked countries that is surrounded by landlocked countries. Sea of Azov, Karachi Straits, Black Sea, Karachi Strait, Sea of Caribbean Sea, Reacher, Boger, Ural, Treasure, Dividends, Indo old name, Persian, Iran, Keltian, Tirania, surrounded by five Turkmen, Azerbaijan, Russia, Iran, Turkmenistan, Black Sea, River, Dovala, this part they are management, this Black Sea, Turkmenistan, Bulgaria, Russia, Georgia, Ukraine, Romania. Karachi Canal Black Sea and the Sea of Azov separate Karachi and Ukraine and Russia. Bosphorus Strait and connect the Black Sea to the Sea of Marina. Ukraine capital Kiev, Russia capital Moscow, Iran gold old name Mesopotamia capital Baghdad, capital Ankara spread across two countries. Siberia, Russia, ये Vladivostok and Trans-Siberian Rail Link, world longest rail link, 9288 km in length, connects Vladivostok, Siberia, state of Hungary, Persian Gulf, west of the Gulf of Oman and Arabian Sea. Capital Beirut refers as land between two rivers. Tigris and Euphrates canal connect the Mediterranean Sea to the land sea. ये हो गया अपना Mediterranean Sea. Bab al Strait gateway of Grief of the Gate of Tears. Connect Dead Sea to the Gulf of Kinars. ये Dead Sea high salinity 34.8 C अगर कुछ है. Bordering countries Red Sea से Djibouti, Eritrea, Saudi Arabia, Sudan, Egypt, Yemen. Malacca Sea between India and Sri Lanka. Map of India. Map of Central Asia देख लीजिए अच्छे से. अफ्रीका स्टेट ऑफ गिब्राल्टर बिटवीन अफ्रीका एंड यूरोप कनेक्ट्स अटलांटिक ओशन टू मेडिटेरेनियन सी. ओल्ड नेम अबिसिनियन इथियोपिया का. ओल्ड नेम नायासलैंड, मादागास्कर का, जिम्बाब्वे का, प्लेजामे नॉन एज ओडिसी, अफ्रीका नॉन एज कॉन्टिनेंट, नॉन एज डार्क कॉन्टिनेंट और ब्लैक कॉन्टिनेंट, कैनरी करंट, डेल्टा माउंटेन एज न्यूली माउंटेन ऑफ फ्रांस, वर्ल्ड लार्जेस्ट हॉट डेजर्ट, लेक तरकोरू, लेक विक्टोरिया, नामी डेजर्ट, बेंगलुरु करंट यहाँ पर है, खारिया डेजर्ट, मदागास्कर आइसलैंड कंट्री है, लॉन्गेस्ट रिवर ऑफ वर्ल्ड नियर फ्रॉम द फील्ड एम्प्टीज मेडिटेरियन और लेक ऑफ विक्टोरिया एम्प्टी मेडिटेरियन सी, हाईएस्ट पीक ऑफ Mount Kilimanjaro, northerly part of Russia, largest island, Great Island, Arctic Ocean, Bering Sea, connect Arctic Ocean and Pacific Ocean, Asia and Northern America, 1949 period. Border between USA and Canada, Panama Canal separates the Antarctic Ocean with Pacific Ocean, links with North America and South America. Congo River करता था equator twice, limbo करता tropical Africa is only accounted for all three continents related to Pacific North America. Young Fold Mountains, Rocky Mountains, capital Ottawa, Great Lake near Canada, US, Canada. Old Ford Mountains, Great Lake on in Ontario, Michigan, it is Superior, Mong Desert, Mogava Desert, Sonora Desert. Lake Superior, largest freshwater lake in the world. Highest peak of the Northern America, Mount Michigan, McKinley, also called Denali, South America. Ecuador, capital Quito, first country from which Ecuador passes Equatorial agreement, consecutive stall volcano and closer Caracas. Brazil, capital Brasilia, currency Brasilia, real already is the highest volcano. In Chile, government complex complex the Andes on Paraguay, capital Austin, Chile, Santiago, Argentina, capital Buenos Aires, Bolivia, capital La Paz, Ukraine, capital Montevideo, Brazil, Amazon forest. Andes Mountain, world longest chain of mountain, Young Ford Mountain, highest peak mountain, Argentina, 6959 died in Atacama Desert, Antavia was first woman swimmer in across the English Channel, the Black Forest Range, Malpas Mountain Range, Youngford Mountain Range, Ural Mountain Range, Old Fold Mountain Range separate Europe and Asia. Highest peak at Airbus, Underwater Canal and Trophy. Norway, Sweden, Denmark, British land was a line between German and Poland, German defense the French during World War One. Scandinavian, Norway, Sweden, nomadic in Denmark, Finland, Sweden plus Northern Iceland, Black Mountain found Germany in Caucasus कॉन्टिनेंट इन ओशियाना में देख लेते हैं पानियोनिया मलेशिया मेलेनेशिया ग्रेट न्यूजीलैंड पोलिनेशिया में फिजी तुर्की सोना तेरी मैन क्या इन सबको देख लियो ग्रेट वेरियस वेस्टर्न बास स्ट्रेट ग्रेट ऑस्ट्रेलियन गिब्सन आर्टिक इंडिया फॉर रिसर्च इन हिमाद्री ईस्टर्न 2008 मैत्री सेकंड रिसर्च इन अंटार्कटिका भारतीय दक्षिण समुद्री इन मैत्री नेशनल 1984 Shian River, Paris, Thames River, London, Tigris River, Baghdad, Dubai River, Budapest, Nile River, Chiaro, Ravi River, Moscow, St. Lawrence, Montreal, Munchen, New York, Yanxi, Singu, Singalai, Hudson River, Oregon, Tonga, Danube River, Potomac River, Washington. और ये के साथ अपना ये टॉपिक भी होता है टॉपिक का होता है द एंड और अब मूव ऑन टू नेक्स्ट टॉपिक दैट और ये अपने टोपोग्राफी का लास्ट टॉपिक है दैट वाज नेशनल पार्क एंड बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व्स Conservation है area that are legally protected to preserve the natural or cultural significant conservation site in situ access to conserve wildlife, natural habitat, national park, wildlife, biosphere, river, zoo, zoological garden, aquarium, botanical garden, national park area, wildlife they are can free use of habitat and natural area where animal fauna are protected from any distribution to them and their habitat. Biosphere is a large area of protected land for conservation of wildlife, plant, flora, fauna, research that region life tribes area live in the area by Zone of biosphere, zone of biosphere transition zone, buffer, core, human settlement are allowed here. No human activity allowed. Biodiversity, tourism, human research, education, monitoring. National Union for Conservation of Haiti Quarter Land States 94. IUCN maintain red data book it record the endangered species to raise awareness and protect biodiversity. Extinct wild, critical danger, endangered, vulnerable, near threatened lists concerned, data deficient, not elevated. All species elevated, एडिक्वेटेड एक्सटिंक्शन रिस्क वाइल्ड प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट 1972 में आया टॉप 5 शेड्यूल 1 एंडेंजर्ड स्पीशीज ब्लैक बक स्नो लेओपार्ड स्टैटिक चीतास सेकंड एंडेंजर्ड असम मकुआ हिमालय ब्लैकबेरी शेड्यूल थर्ड नॉट एंडेंजर्ड शेड्यूल थर्ड सांबर चितला एनसीओ क्लेवेंगोस फ्रूट बैट्स फ्लैट कॉमन वेरिएंट डिजीज कइंग शेड्यूल स्पेसिफिक नेशनल पार्क लद्दाख में हिमाच और कैमाकोरम नुब्रा श्योक देखो नेशनल पार्क ऐसे वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी से बायोस्फीयर और रामसर साइट टाइगर रिजर्व लद्दाख और बीएसपी सेंचुरी ऐसे होगी काजीरंगा नेशनल होर्सेम दाचिंगम किश्तवाड़ सुरसई मानसर लेक सलीम अली नेशनल एनिमल पार्क कश्मीर हंगल स्टिंग स्नो लियोपार्ड हिमाचल में इंद्र लेक पिनी वैली ग्रेट हिमालय लेक किंगा रेनुआ सीदरपुर। उत्तराखंड की तरफ चलते हैं। गोविंद पुष्प विहार वाइल्ड लाइफ ने गोविंद पुष्प नेशनल प्रोजेक्ट स्नो लियोपार्ड लॉन्च ईयर 2009 गंगोत्री नेशनल पार्क वैली ऑफ फ्लावर्स उत्तराखंड वैली ऑफ फ्लावर्स नंदा देवी नेशनल पार्क बियाम जिम कॉर्बेट नेशनल पार्क रंजान नेशनल पार्क फर्स्ट नेशनल पार्क of India Jim National Park 1936 Project Tiger launched from Jim Corbett 1970 Project Tiger एक नाइट पास in 1993 फिलिपिटियाड दुंदा नेशनल पार्क टाइगर रिजर्व सार्सिया नोवार झील अमरगढ़ तमिलनाडु नवबाजी वैष्णो रामपुर वाइल्डलाइफ सेंचुरी टाइगर रायपुर तमिलनाडु ये वाल्मीकि नेशनल टाइगर रिजर्व कानपुर ताल नैनीताल दिल्ली नगदास also मानसरोवर लेक महादेव कनुआ वन विहार डायनासोर ब्योरी सतपुड़ा पेंच पंचमढ़ी खाना गुलमर्ग Montebello Shanghai Madhya Pradesh has no most of national park cheetah were brought from the Nepal Kunu as a part of Project Cheetah Chhattisgarh Shanghai Guru Garsen National Park Marg National Park Indravati Udyanistan Kanga Valley National Park Madhya Pradesh Sherwood Garden Bustard critically endangered Kelo Devi National Ramthambore Mukandra Hills Ramgarh Vistar Desert National Park Sariska National Park Nalsawar Blackbug National Park Vasudev Gir Khajira Marine Gulf of Karna now considered known as aesthetic wildlife endangered Gir National Park Sicily only lives in here Rambanan National Park Onga National Park Nasimra Dibar Siako Mihang Natkai Kazirang Manas Kazira is large population one horn rises Sanjan Sanjay Gandhi Valley National Park, Guma National Pench National Park, Neogon Angeles National Park, Lonar Lake, Buldan, Chandrapal, other Mongoli Pakke National Namdur National Park, Pench Wildlife National India First Dark Sky Bengali, Nokare National Park, Balkaram National Lothak Lake, Kerala Long Park Lake, Floating State Animal Sing IDS in Kerala, fully floating Iceland seen in the Lothak Lake in Manipur. Singal and Neora Lake, Deodal, Buxar, Gormum National Park, West Bengal in Sundarban National Park, Kachingang National Park, Bihar, Jharkhand, Betwa National Pallur National Park, Andhra Pradesh, Pallikonda National Rajiv Gandhi Vishwanath, Sri Venkateshwar, Goringa National, Kavala National Park, Kavala National Marwad, Hassani, Kudremukh National Park, Nagarhole, Rajiv Gandhi, Bagarnath, Bandripuch, Santo Coast, Tamil Nadu, Sea Avidal, Malaysia, Beketangar, Chilka, Nambola, Wagah, Island Valley, Broome, Ambrosoli, Mate, Piriai National Park, Vilgos, NP name as that Sola their name belongs to Kerala. Tamil Nadu, Mudramani, Tamil Nadu, Mukati National Andaman Nicobar, Tivia, Tamil Nadu, and Kerala, Gulf of Minar Marine National, Kambe National Park, Galgan National Pond, Mahatma Gandhi Marine, Mount Harriet, Thane Jhansi, South Bottom, North Bottom, Middle Bottom, Single Peak. 22 पर रिजल्ट देख लेते हैं क्विक में। कोल्ड से हिमाचल नंदा देवी उत्तराखंड कच्छ मध्य प्रदेश मरी छत्तीसगढ़ नीलगिरी कर्नाटका अगस्ता मलय कन्ना गल्फो तमिलनाडु शेषाचलम शेला सुंदरवन नौरकेला मंचदार शियोग आसाम दीरवांग आसम कंचनजंगा फर्स्ट राज्य सतपुड़ा नेशनल पार्क ऑल्सो नोन एज सतपुड़ा टाइगर रिजर्व टोगल 18 ओल्ड वाया नीलगिरी बिहार तमिलनाडु कर्नाटक वेस्टर्न घाट नेशनल मेटेरियल राजेश बिहार नानक फर्स्ट फोल्डर नीलगिरी फर्स्ट इंडियन गल्फ ऑफ मिनार सुंदरबन नंदा कोनाक पंचमढ़ी शिमला अंशुमन मनाका छत्तीसगढ़ ग्रेट निकोबार अगस्ता मलय कंचनजंगा आइडेंट 2000 फर्स्ट मिक्स वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साइट पन्ना लाटेस्ट और इसी के साथ अपनी ज्योग्राफी होती है कंप्लीट। थैंक यू सो मच यहाँ तक देखने के लिए।